Hi everyone, it's Gary Nicholson here for weatherweb.net. This is your fast forecast for the next few days ahead. First of all, a look at the situation out there this evening. We've got some heavy bursts of rain across the northwest of England and Wales. A band of heavier rain here as the front moves its way southwards across Scotland and into northern England. Some heavy showers moving in behind. A few bursts of rain then will move southwards across the Midlands and the south of England overnight, that front clearing its way into the continent, and colder air following in behind. Just watch out for a few icy patches across northern England and Scotland, and still frequent showers feeding into many western areas, these turning increasingly to sleet and snow. And there's the chart for daytime on Wednesday with a strong westerly flow, frequent showers merging into longer spells of rain across the western regions, and these turning readily to snow over the mountains of Scotland, sleet and hail at lower levels, and also into northwestern parts of England across southwest Scotland too. Showers too to feed on to the western side of Ireland. Elsewhere, most showers are fairly well scattered. Just a few may move across the Midlands, I think becoming increasingly widespread for northern England through into Wednesday afternoon. One or two bits and pieces of brief showers may just pass across the English Channel. Temperatures feeling fairly cool, may just squeak to an 8 or a 9 in the far south. A 6 or a 7 is more typical across more central areas, and nearer to a 4 or a 5 for Scotland and northern England. But it will be the strong winds that's one of the main features of the day, particularly across northern parts of the country. Wind gusts across central areas probably getting towards 40 miles per hour, getting towards 50, perhaps 60 miles an hour around some of these Irish sea coasts, and more widely in exposure 70, perhaps locally 80 miles an hour across Scotland and the far north of England. Always strongest over the hills and the mountains of northern England, across the Pennines and across the Highlands of Scotland, where wind gusts will be considerably higher. And we stick with the windy day through into Thursday, just easing down a little bit for many areas, but strong winds still around some exposed coasts, 60 miles an hour in the western side of Wales, 50 to 60 miles an hour across Scotland, maybe still locally touching at 70 miles an hour across the Highlands and some exposed coasts and hills out towards the far west. And there's a chart for Thursday daytime. Still got that westerly flow with us and frequent showers feeding into many western regions through the day, maybe a bit more widespread by Thursday, and again these readily turning to sleet, snow and hail across northern and western areas, across the hills and high ground of Scotland and northern England, also into the high ground of the west of Wales. Just watching later on in the day for this feature developing out towards the west of Ireland, just running in some more persistent rain across Ireland, gradually moving into Wales later on Thursday evening. Across the more central eastern areas, some bright and some sunny spells coming through from time to time. A few showers will always move their way from west to east during the day. And again, feeling rather chilly, your top temperatures typically between around 4 and 7 degrees Celsius. And some pretty rough seas as well around many of the coastlines, particularly towards the northwest of Britain and Ireland. A few more details on Friday's risk of some snow in Simon's look ahead video today, but that's your latest fast forecast. Thank you for watching weatherweb.net, and bye for now.